Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make an RNG game in Roblox. This should be quite an easy tutorial. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your web browser. Then in the search bar, search for Roblox. And here's the first website. Click to open it. Now here first you need to log in with your account here. Once you logged in, then on the top here, click on Create here. Then on the next page here, on the top side here, from these options, click on this option store here to go to store. And in the store here, you will get vehicles, structures, lights, tech, and other. But I am searching for RNG here, so in the search bar, search for RNG. And here are all the available RNG in the Roblox if I scroll down. And here, go to the next page to find more on the next page. You can use anyone because all are free to use here. You can select anyone that you like the most. Like I am selecting this one, so just click on it. Now here you can read its description and also check its reviews. So simply click on this button, Get Model here, and this RNG kit is added to your inventory. Now you can find this RNG kit in your inventory on Roblox Studio. So just go back to Roblox Studio, and now here in the Home tab, click on Toolbox here, and then on the right side here, click on Inventory icon here, and you can find that RNG kit on the top here. Or you can simply click on this button, Try in Studio, and then click on Open Roblox Studio, and then you will be redirected to Roblox Studio with this RNG kit. So go back to Roblox Studio, and simply click on RNG kit here, and here we are. Now you can use this RNG kit. Now let's play the game by just tapping play button here and have a look. So, in this way, you can make an RNG game in Roblox Studio.